Discover the Sonos Era 100 Pro, a speaker designed for professional installations. It combines elegant design with high-end sound. We'll start by presenting this new loudspeaker. We will then look at how to size the switch, the physical installation, and configuration in the application. We'll finish by optimizing the sound quality. The Sonos Era 100 Pro is a loudspeaker designed specifically for professional installations, offering a combination of elegant design, high-end sound and features suitable for commercial and residential environments. Distinctive features of the Era 100 include Power over Ethernet, PoE+, the ability to create custom audio zones and versatile mounting options. The advantages of the Sonos Era 100 Pro are: Power over Ethernet. PoE+ simplifies installation by providing power and data over a single Ethernet cable, eliminating the need for power outlets near each speaker. Customizable zones allows multiple speakers to be grouped into distinct zones for flexible audio management tailored to different spaces. Versatile mounting, with the dedicated wall bracket, sold separately, the speaker can be installed in a variety of orientations, offering maximum flexibility to adapt to. High-quality sound, equipped with two 16mm silk tweeters and a 90.8 by 111.9mm polypropylene woofer, the Era 100 Pro offers 240 degrees horizontal sound coverage, guaranteeing even, rich sound diffusion. Choosing the right switch and calculating your PoE budget. To power your Sonos Era 100 Pro speakers properly, it's essential to select a PoE+ or, failing that, PoE-compatible switch. The Era 100 Pro consumes up to 30 watts with PoE+ and 15.4 watts with PoE. Note, however, that the Era 100 Pro will consume less power if powered by PoE. Steps to calculate the PoE budget. 1. Determine the number of speakers, for example, for 8 Era 100 Pro speakers. 2. Calculate the total power required. With PoE+, 8 speakers x 30 watts equals 240 watts. With PoE, 8 speakers x 15.4 watts equals 123.2 watts. 3. Add a safety margin of 20%, standard recommendation. With PoE+, 240 watts x 1.2 is equal to 288 watts. With PoE, 123.2 watts x 1.2 is equal to 147.84 watts. It's crucial to ensure that the switch you choose can deliver the total power calculated, taking into account the safety margin. What's more, if other PoE devices are connected to the same switch, security cameras, IP telephones, etc., their consumption must also be taken into account in the overall PoE budget calculation. Physical installation. 1. Speaker placement. Identify optimal locations for uniform sound coverage. The Era 100 Pro can be mounted on walls or ceilings using the dedicated wall bracket, offering precise articulation thanks to an indexed ball and socket joint. 2. Wiring. Use Category 5E or higher Ethernet cables. Ensure that cables respect the maximum distance of 100 meters between the switch and each enclosure. Connect to PoE+ switch. Connect each speaker to a PoE+ port on the switch using the Ethernet cable, providing power and data simultaneously. 3. Secure fastening. If required by building codes, use the integrated threaded eye and detachable hook for additional fastening, ensuring safety in the event of vibrations or accidents. Software installation. 1. Download the Sonos app, available on iOS and Android. It allows you to configure and manage your speakers. 2. Initial setup. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same network as the speakers. Open the Sonos app and follow the instructions to detect and add each Era 100 Pro to your system. Your Sonos Era 100 Pro speaker will be detected automatically and will offer you to install it. You'll need to authorize the application to use the microphone in order to listen to the audio code. The next step is to select the room in which to install your speaker. An update will be proposed. Start the update process. The update will bring your speaker to the latest firmware version and will be applied to every speaker. Do this for each Sonos Era Pro 100 Pro speaker. You can then create a zone and add your speakers to play the same music. With Sonos Era 100 Pro, you can add up to 16 speakers per zone. Now you can take full advantage of your system. Your Sonos speaker uses its own microphone to analyze how sound reflects off walls, furniture, and other surfaces in your room. Professional products offer the same high-quality sound and easy-to-use experience for which Sonos is renowned.